I'm Matt.
And I'm Becca, and this is your Tech News Update.
This week we've got aeroplanes powered by straw, your entire Twitter history, and a supercomputer moves to the cloud. But first, Google TV.
Rumours are rife that Google is looking for a buyer for its Motorola Mobility division. This is the part of Google that includes the Google TV set-top boxes. So it looks like Google's focus may be moving away from IPTV. Its main competitor in that area is Apple, with the Apple TV. But Apple famously regards its Apple TV business as a hobby. So it seems neither of the big players have figured out how to make IPTV work financially. Although neither one have officially given up yet either. There are persistent rumours that Apple will have another crack at the market with a new Apple TV device. So who knows?
Twitter has been around for a long time now, and many of us have thousands of tweets under our belt. While many concern burning issues like what we had for breakfast and what the weather is doing, many more are 140-character masterpieces, one-liners, or philosophical gems. The problem is, there is no simple way of accessing all your past tweets. Dick Costolo, Twitter's CEO, has recently promised to remedy that. Users will, by the end of the year, be able to download their entire Twitter history. Great for recapturing your greatest moments, or alternatively finding and deleting your drunken tweets of yesteryear.
Watson is a supercomputer developed by IBM comprising of 90 servers and 16 terabytes of RAM. It is the pinnacle of artificial intelligence, having famously competed on the US game show Jeopardy! And won. Since then, it's been used for more cerebral duties like diagnosing disease and advising on financial services. But there are plans afoot to offer access to Watson as a cloud-based service. The idea is that physicians across the world could access the power of Watson to help with diagnosis. Cloud services currently tend to be for storage, but this plan is aimed at offering computing power in a similar way to utilities like gas or electricity. So perhaps in a few years a visit to the doctor would involve you speaking to Dr. Watson.
Currently, passenger jets use kerosene for fuel, and as you can imagine, it's not terribly good for the environment. In July this year, the ProBio3 project started its search for an alternative biofuel. For ground transport, biofuel usually uses products like corn oil to create a viable fuel. But in this case, scientists are attempting to use agricultural waste like straw bedding and wood chips to create a kerosene alternative. Not that you'll be seeing jumbo jets having to land to take on more hay. The process breaks down farm waste into sugars and enzymes, mixed with yeast to ferment. The fats created are treated with hydrogen to make a hydrocarbon similar to fossil fuels. If it works, it will be a fossil fuel alternative that doesn't impact potential food sources, as other biofuels do. So it's good for the environment without being bad for the food supply.
Thanks for watching Tech News.
We'll be back next week with more, so do join us then.